Within this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a headlight bulb on a 2017 Hyundai Accent. So first off, come over to the driver's side of the vehicle. We're going to need to open up the engine bay. Just down in the footwell, you'll notice this lever. Give that a pull. Come around to the front of the vehicle. Just above the Hyundai badge, there's a lever in this gap. Push that to the left, and then we're going to put this bonnet stay in that hole there. So once your bonnet's safe and secure, we can start to look at the back of the light fittings. So over to the left hand side, you'll notice these fins. Well, this is the waterproof cover that actually houses the bulb itself. You've got the one over the left and the one over the right there is just in front of the fuse box, a little bit harder to get to. For the sake of filming, I'll show you how to remove the one on the left hand side. So anti-clockwise off. Safely secure that somewhere. Now we can look in at the back. So what you want to do, remove the electrical fittings by just pulling it off like so, and then you'll actually notice a spring clip. So with the spring clip, just push it in at the bottom and that will rotate round, and that will allow you to pull out the bulb itself. Fairly standard fitting. This is a H4 fitting. You can see it's actually got 3 tabs, 1 wider, 2 smaller. The 2 smaller always go at the bottom. Okay, so to put the bulb back in, 2 smaller tabs at the bottom, larger tab at the top. Make sure you don't touch the glass because the oil in our skin can damage the bulb itself. Making sure the electrical connection and spring are well out of the way. So then make sure you get the right orientation, like so. Rotate the spring clip down and hook it back in. Electrical connection back over. Then we're just finally going to get our cap that we removed earlier. There's actually a tab on the bottom, so just keep that to the bottom. Rotate that around to the right, and that's how to remove and replace a bulb on a 2017 Hyundai Accent. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.